Hi, I'm Garrett Motz with Pit Boss Grills, and I'm here today in the Pit Boss garage to show you how to assemble the Whiskey Still vertical pellet smoker. First, I like to start off by taking everything out of the box and checking the owner's manual to make sure that I have all the parts. Then I'm going to use a piece of cardboard and flip the main cabinet upside down so that I can mount the legs. When turned right side up, the wheels should be on the left legs. Mount the wheels by using an axle pin, washer, and cotter pin. Turn the smoker back over and mount the chimney using 3 screws. To access the heat tent, unscrew the 3 screws along the outside of the hopper that secures the safety screen. Then put the safety screen back. Mount the cord bracket. Secure the lid to the top of the hopper. On the back side of the hopper, connect the silver temperature probe wires that extrude from the main barrel and the hopper. Then tuck the wire connections and excess wire into the hopper. Next, mount the hopper to the main barrel. Connect the fire pot to the bottom of the main barrel using 4 screws from the interior. Next, mount the grease trough in place using 3 screws. Connect the handle, and mount the door back on. Attach the thermometer and handle to the door. Next, place in the grease pan, the heat tent, the flame diffuser, and the cooking grids. Add the meat probe in the grease bucket and you're ready to smoke. And that's how you assemble the Pit Boss Whiskey Still. Thanks for watching, and be sure to go online to pitbossgrills.com to check out other products.